Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase any costume in the fitting room to complete the quest in Heartopia. Okay, first of all, of course, you need to meet Rosie, and after that, you will get this quest, my new clothes quest, and you just need to choose the costume that you want to buy, guys. Then it will automatically bring you to the fitting room. Okay, you can click on the cloth icon and you can take a look at the preview. And once you're satisfied with it, you can purchase the costume. Okay, I'm going to buy this shoe. Okay, I'm going to purchase the black one and just click on purchase and it will consume your coins. Okay, and you can click on confirm to switch to the new costume. And also this one, I'm going to purchase this set. And okay guys, that's how we can purchase any costume in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.